In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your PS4 is randomly disconnecting from your Wi-Fi. So the first thing you want to do on your console is go to Settings. Now from Settings, we're going to go to Network Settings and go to Setup Internet Connection. Now I always recommend using a LAN cable as it's going to give you a more faster, stable internet. But if you're set on using Wi-Fi, select Use Wi-Fi, and we're going to select Easy Internet Connection Setup. Now, when it comes to some other things you could do, also try moving your PS4 closer to your router if able, because walls and other obstructions can affect your Wi-Fi connection. So what you want to do when you see your Wi-Fi network pop up is press the Options button on your controller, and we're going to select Wi-Fi frequency bands. Now, if it's on automatic or 5 GHz only, you could also try changing the Wi-Fi frequency bands to 2.4 GHz only, as this is going to provide a more stable connection, albeit a little bit slower. So select that option and then select your Wi-Fi network, and then you may have to input your password, and you'll now be using the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi frequency band, which may help with you getting a better connection. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.